Hey guys, so before I go into my exams, yes, they have started. I wanted to upload one last video and then, I'll be back after a week. Basically, today I'm going to show you guys how to turn two channels into a stereo audio track in DaVinci Resolve. So let's go. First off, I'm going to go import media. Now, first off, this is my normal microphone recording and it's mono. So since it has one channel, I'm going to delete one of them. The other one I'm going to keep. And these ones. So what you want to do is click the first and the second track, link clips, go to Fairlight, this audio icon, this note icon, and then click on the linked audios, the ones who are left and the right channel, right click, clip attributes. So in the format section, select stereo and click OK. As you guys can see down here, it says 1.0 in the size, right? That means that all of these audios are in mono. These basically represents the channel because of that. Go here, add track, stereo, and then drag these in that dual channel. Actually, you know what? Let's do it in here. So in the audio tab, yep. So our normal audio is here and our stereo audio is here. Obviously, you don't want this extra, like right channel here, right? So what you want to do is unlink these files, delete the extra one, and you don't have to link these. These are already linked. So since we have all these like extra channels, what I like to do is like delete these because obviously they're a mess and we don't want to have those while we're editing videos. And then since this was my main track, for example, I want to go move track up, and when we play the video, you're going to hear the audio from left to right. Or not. What the actual fuck is happening? Okay, I figured it out. I set these into a different option, so that's why I was hearing it from my normal speakers. So, let's go. Left speaker. Right one. Yep, that was it. Thank you guys so much for watching. After the exams, I think I will move towards more like gameplay videos because I realized that I think gaming is like the thing that really made me like YouTube, especially scary games. So it's been a while since I played the game anyway. So I think I'll probably finish Sifu and then go back to GTA because I was planning to like play both of them, in between. But GTA kind of like gave me a lot of errors, so I don't wanna mess with that shitty ass game, to be honest with you. Yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Love you all. Take care. Bye.